Hello everyone, this is IT Chu here. Today I want to show you my own project which uses public key digital signature to enable passwordless login. This part of the video is devoted to developer or provider side. If you look into my GitHub and this report, you know that currently I host this application under the IP address of this. Go into the server application because the other two is for client side. You just need to ignore those for this part. Simply download the whole source code and name it with PKDSA underscore server app as the folder name. Okay, once you download the whole source code for the server, you need to look for the program.cs. If, let's say, you want to use HTTPS or CA cert in your application, ASP.NET Core supposedly run on 3 major OS, which is Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Click on Linux with Nix. You need to go into directly to this title